Alright, to remove the drum, so you just need to come here, you pinch those, you lift it up, you just pinch those, and then you lift it up and then you lower it down, and you're able to remove it. That's the first one, to remove the drum unit.
Yes.
Then you push it back, push it inside, and then push it down, and everything's in place. For the second one, it's a bit trickier. This part can be removed on this side, so you just need to press on this part and push it towards the inside. There it is. Actually, you just press. You could push on the inside here, but you need to put some pressure on top, and you push it in. Oops. You need to push on the corner, and once it slides, when it's pushed in, you go back in the inside. You will see this part here. You're able to push it out. It's a bit tricky, but it just lowers down and it's removed. Then you just need to push it back in, and this entire unit comes out once the two little plastic are removed. So to put it back in, just push it back in, and once it's back in, you just need to clip it back by pushing this way. So everything's done.